Before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Matt's Lover for expert tutorials on crane safety, lifting plans, and construction essentials. Crane failures are devastating, and most of the time they happen because of something simple, a mistake in the lifting plan. Today, we're breaking down the top 10 lifting plan mistakes that can lead to dangerous or even deadly crane accidents and how you can avoid them. Number 1, not verifying the load weight. One of the most common and riskiest mistakes is lifting a load without knowing its actual weight. Many crews rely on rough estimates or verbal assumptions. That's dangerous. If the actual weight exceeds what the crane can handle at a specific radius, you risk immediate mechanical failure. Always verify the load weight using manufacturer data, drawings, or on-site calculations. Never assume. Number 2, ignoring the crane's load chart. Every crane has its own load chart, which tells you how much it can safely lift at different boom lengths and angles. Using a generic load value or mixing up charts between cranes is a serious hazard. Make sure the specific load chart for the crane in use is studied and followed. Understand how lifting capacity changes with radius and boom configuration. Number 3, not identifying a critical lift. A lift is considered critical when it involves loads above 75% of the crane's rated capacity, lifts over occupied areas, or requires tandem lifting. These types of lifts demand extra planning, supervision, and risk assessment. Skipping this classification can result in disaster. Know the signs of a critical lift and plan accordingly. Number 4, poor ground condition assessment. The crane's stability depends heavily on the ground it's sitting on. Setting up on soft soil, uneven terrain, or unverified slabs can cause the crane to sink or tip over. Always conduct a proper ground-bearing pressure check and prepare the surface using mats or steel plates. Cranes need solid footing to stay upright. Number 5, incomplete rigging plan. Many lifting plans overlook the importance of rigging. This includes slings, shackles, hooks, and how they're connected to the load. Without a proper rigging diagram, the load may be unbalanced or insecure during lifting. Select rigging based on load shape, weight, and center of gravity, and verify all components are rated appropriately. Number 6, no communication plan. Lifting operations involve multiple people: crane operator, rigger, signalman, supervisor. If communication isn't clear, mistakes happen fast. Your lifting plan should define who communicates with whom, what signals are used, and how instructions will be given in noisy or restricted areas. Miscommunication leads to misjudgment. Number 7, no weather consideration. High winds, rain, lightning, or poor visibility can quickly turn a safe lift into a disaster. Yet many lifting plans ignore the weather. Always check the weather forecast before starting and set clear thresholds for postponing or stopping the lift. Include emergency procedures in case weather changes mid-operation. Number 8, obstructed lift path. The lift path is the space the load travels through from pickup to drop off. If there are power lines, structures, scaffolding, or people in that path, you're looking at a serious safety risk. Your plan must include a visual inspection and clearance verification of the entire lift path before lifting starts. Number 9, poor load securing. Loads that aren't properly secured can rotate, swing, or drop. This usually happens when taglines are missing, the rigging isn't centered, or the load has an uneven center of gravity. Use taglines, spreader bars, or counterweights to keep the load stable. If you don't control the load, it controls you. Number 10, skipping the toolbox talk. Even a perfect lifting plan can fail if the team doesn't understand it. Skipping the pre-lift toolbox talk is one of the worst mistakes. This short briefing ensures everyone knows their role, the sequence of steps, potential risks, and what to do if something goes wrong. It's not optional, it's critical. Summary. To recap, here are the 10 most common lifting plan mistakes. 1, not verifying actual load weight. And 2, ignoring the crane's specific load chart. 3, failing to identify critical lifts. 4, setting up on poor ground conditions. 5, incomplete or vague rigging plans. 6, no communication strategy. 7, ignoring weather conditions. 8, obstructed lift path. 9, improper load securing. 10, skipping the toolbox talk. Each of these mistakes has led to real world accidents, but they're all preventable with proper planning, communication, and discipline. You can make every lift a safe lift. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like the video, share it with your crew, and subscribe to Mass Lover for more practical guides and safety tips. See you in the next one.